All right, what's up, guys? I am going to do a quick unboxing video for you. I apologize in advance. You may hear some chainsaw noise. They're taking down a tree in the backyard. It shouldn't be too loud, but I'll try to edit out as much of it as I can in post-production. So without further ado, I actually ordered a pair of jeans from a company called Kimes Ranch. These are American-made denim using imported material. They import from various sources, but I understand not from China, so that's a plus for me. I actually ordered a pair of these. These are their raw denim, so they're actually supposed to be true to size, and they just kind of run large and then they shrink into the true size. So that makes ordering kind of simple. You don't have to do a lot of goofy math sizing up like you do with some brands. I actually had ordered a pair in 33, 32 because these Wranglers that I'm wearing actually fit in that size. They're actually slightly loose, but the pre-shrunk denim was already fitting a little snug in the Kimes Ranch ones. So I sent them back and I got a 34, 32 to be safe. That's what I take in most of my other pants. So here we go, raw denim. It's very nice looking stuff. It has kind of a really nice smell. It reminds me a little bit of hay. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Kind of give you a look at the seams and stuff in there. They're pretty stiff. They're not board stiff like some raw denim, like they're trying to, I don't know, stand up on their own in the corner. I am going to pause the video for a moment, slip these on just so you guys can kind of see them on me, and I'll be right back. So these are pretty nice. They're pre-shrunk, so, or they're not shrunk yet, so they're a little bit loose on me. But I've got a good, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 inches in the waist, so that gives me some room to shrink up. I think they shrink 1/2 inch to 1 inch in the waist. And then I'm going to tilt this down if I can, so you can see my cuffs. Just so you can see how much extra length I have. This is a 32-inch length, but they're supposed to shrink about 3, maybe 4 inches in the length when they are washed. They provide that extra length built in. You don't have to do any weird, okay, I've got to go add this many inches to my regular size or anything. You just order your size and they're supposed to fit. So I like these. These are, I guess these are considered a low rise. Historically, I've always worn more traditional straight leg mid or high rise jeans. But I'm trying to get with the times a little bit. So I'm hoping these things will shrink into something that is actually a good fit for me. You know, it's going to fit my frame pretty well. So we'll give them a try and see. I like to play with raw denim just to see, you know, in the ideal situation, if you order the right size and you shrink them and break them in properly, they actually form to fit your body in a way that's very personalized and unique, versus just buying something that's pre-shrunk off the shelf, and the fit that you get is the fit that you get, which may be good or bad. We'll see how these go. I haven't had a pair of raw denim jeans since the last pair I reviewed, which was LC King. So, and before that, I hadn't had any since the last time I had some raw denim jeans. I think it was Roundhouse or Levi's or something like that. Kimes Ranch seems to be a pretty good company. They, like I said, they're made in America. They offer a variety of styles, sizes and fits for men and women. I can't really speak to the women's stuff because I didn't really look at it, but I know for the men, they've probably got 8 or 10 different fits. They have a couple styles. They only have a couple styles in the raw denim. One is more of a traditional, I think, mid or high rise straight leg fit, and the other is this one, which is kind of their low rise straight leg fit. And then they've got, I think they've got a couple of boot cuts and some kind of slim fit. I don't think they do full on skinny, but they've got some slim fit, slim straight jeans. One thing I wish they offered is the option of button fly on, particularly on the raw denim. I know 1 or 2 of their styles offers a button fly, but the rest of them have a zipper, which it's not the end of the world. I just think it's cool. They actually have a full-on return form with detailed instructions if you want to do a return. And having returned a pair once already, I can say it's very easy. They accept returns within 60 days from the purchase date, as long as they're unused and unworn, of course. So it's good. If you're not sure about your size, that can be kind of helpful. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to get out of here. They're starting to saw away at the tree outside. It's going to disrupt the video. So thank you guys for checking in. More content to come soon. Take care and God bless. Later.